tomorrow's sugar spike doesn't start in the morning. It starts tonight. Hi, I am Dr. Marie. You can reset glucose while you sleep. And tonight, I'll give you 5 tiny habits to crush next day's sugar spikes and wake up with natural morning energy. Habit 1. Dinner timing is your metabolic trigger. Eat your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed. This gives insulin a rest at night and improves next morning glucose response. Habit 2. Keep dinner light and balanced. Protein, fiber, healthy fats win the equation. Think eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, beans, tofu, with veggies, greens, or a light salad. Avoid sugar, fried, or ultra-processed meals late at night. They disrupt overnight glucose regulation. Let me remind you, light dinner tonight means lighter glucose tomorrow. Habit 3. Screens off 30 minutes before bed. Blue light disrupts sleep and increases stress activity. Poor sleep and higher stress raise morning glucose through cortisol pathways. So remember, scroll less tonight, spike less tomorrow. Habit 4. Add a short walk after dinner. 8 to 12 minutes, slow and easy. Consistency improves muscle glucose uptake and supports insulin sensitivity. A little walk sends a big signal. Habit 5. Wind down your mind. Do calm breathing, dim lights, journaling, or slow ambient sounds. Lower night stress equals steadier glucose by morning. And one bonus habit. Hydrate before you sleep. 1 glass of water supports smooth overnight regulation and balanced morning metabolism. This system works for real wellness seekers across the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, especially for busy lives, beginners, and anyone fixing glucose without equipment or cameras. FitPulse isn't a face. It's a habit-powered metabolic movement, transforming your health quietly, smartly. Want more science-backed wellness routines to support metabolic health? Subscribe to FitPulse, habits that heal from the inside. So tonight, sleep deep, sugar steady, energy loaded. Try it tonight. Your glucose shift is already processing while you sleep. Good night, champions!